Do you consider chia seeds to be the most powerful superfood? What if I told you that it's possible that they can cause more harm than good? These 7 typical faults have the potential to transform this good practice into a concealed health threat. The 4th mistake is so stealthy that the majority of individuals are unaware that they are engaging in it. Chia seeds may be found in every place. They include a high concentration of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, which are all components that you would look for in a nutritious snack or meal. However, here is the catch. If you do not exercise caution, you may be putting yourself in a position where you will experience digestive problems, nutritional imbalances, or even more serious problems. I am going to explain the 6 chia seed mistakes that you need to quit making right now in this video that I am going to publish. Believe me, by the time you reach the conclusion, you will have a complete understanding of how to steer clear of these potential hazards and get all of the wonderful advantages that chia seeds have to offer. At first glance, chia seeds can appear to be the ideal supplement to your dining routine. After all, they are compact, adaptable, and packed with a variety of various nutrients. All chia seed habits, however, are not made equal, and this is the fact. These errors, in point of fact, have the potential to bring about long-term health problems such as inflammation of the stomach, dehydration, and even shortages in nutrients. First, let's take a look at the 6 common blunders that people do while using chia seeds, and then we'll discuss what you should do instead. Mistake 1. Ignoring proper hydration. In order for chia seeds to do their enchantment, they require water. Instead of assisting you in maintaining your hydration levels, they may actually cause you to get dehydrated if you consume them but do not drink enough water. You should consume a lot of water in addition to your chia seeds. If you're going to include them into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, you should also make sure that you are drinking water periodically throughout the day. Not only does this assist your body in processing the fiber, but it also prevents any unpleasant side effects from occurring. Mistake 2. Not checking for pesticides. Avoiding the purchase of organic chia seeds is a common error that the majority of people do not even consider making. The cultivation of conventionally cultivated chia seeds, like the cultivation of many other crops, might expose them to potentially dangerous chemicals. Consuming these substances can, over time, cause you to have disruptions in your hormones, liver, and general health. Choose chia seeds that are organic and free of genetically modified organisms. Typically, they are labeled as such, and despite the fact that they may cost a little bit more, the peace of mind and improved health advantages make them well worth the additional expense. Mistake 3. Eating them dry. We will begin with the most glaring error, which is consuming chia seeds in their dried form. When you want to make a pudding or thicken your smoothie, chia seeds are one of the best ingredients to use since they can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. On the other hand, if you consume them in a dry form, they are able to take in water within your digestive tract. By doing so, you run the risk of being dehydrated or, even worse, of causing obstructions in your intestines or esophagus. Always be sure to soak your chia seeds before consuming them. The ratio of 1 tablespoon of seeds to 3 tablespoons of water is a straightforward one. If you allow them to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, you'll get a gel-like consistency that is safe for your body and is gentle on your skin. Mistake 4. Forgetting about allergies. Chia seed allergies are a genuine issue, which may come as a surprise to some people. The severity of the symptoms might range from a moderate itching to serious responses, such as trouble breathing or swelling. It is recommended that you look into this more if you have ever experienced a strange feeling after eating chia seeds. Stop eating chia seeds and consult a medical professional if you consider yourself to be allergic to them. In addition to flax seeds and hemp seeds, there are a multitude of other seeds that are rich in nutrients and can serve as excellent substitutes. Mistake 5. Overloading on chia seeds. Despite the fact that chia seeds are beneficial to one's health, consuming an excessive amount of such seeds might have adverse effects. There are around 5 grams of fiber in 1 spoonful. Even while fiber is beneficial for digestion, consuming an excessive amount of it all at once might put you at risk for experiencing bloating, gas, or even constipation, particularly if your body is not accustomed to it. Take no more than 1 to 2 teaspoons each day. If you have never used chia seeds before, you should begin with only 1 and track how your body reacts to them. A gradual increase in consumption is recommended to prevent your digestive system from being overloaded. Mistake 6. Storing them incorrectly. It may appear like chia seeds may be stored for an infinite amount of time, but in reality, they're sensitive to both heat and light. Because you are storing them in a warm and bright location, you are hastening the process by which they will go bad. Chia seeds that have gone rancid can have a harsh flavor and possibly lose some of their nutritious benefits. Ensure that your chia seeds are stored in a container that is airtight and in a cold, dark location, such as your cupboard or refrigerator. When stored correctly, they are able to maintain their freshness for several months and maintain all of their nutrients. Most likely, you are thinking to yourself at this point, wow, I've been making some of these mistakes. However, you shouldn't be concerned because it is still possible to make the necessary adjustments. There is good news in that all of these improvements are straightforward and have the potential to have a significant impact. If you make these adjustments, you'll be able to unlock the full potential of chia seeds without putting your health at danger. This may be accomplished by soaking your chia seeds, controlling the amount of food you consume, or switching to organic products. When used in the appropriate manner, chia seeds may be considered a wonderful superfood. However, this is only the case. If you steer clear of these 7 typical errors, you'll be well on your way to reaping all of their privileges without experiencing any of their drawbacks. Keep in mind that you should soak them, that you should control the amount that you consume, that you should drink a lot of water, and that you should observe quality and storage. Make sure to click the like button and share this video with someone who is passionate about chia seeds if you found it to be engaging and informative. In order to receive further advice on how to maintain a healthy diet and live your best life, make sure you subscribe.